Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Friday means Friday freebie. Yes, free printable for you guys to download for free. As absolutely my treat is a free printable for any sort of paper craft project, for your junk journal, your card making, or any sort of scrapbooking, any projects that you guys want to make. Keep watching and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Happy Friday. Guys, I hope you're having a fabulous week. It's my weekend into work, I'm afraid, so I'm working tomorrow and Sunday, but never mind. It is what it is. But yeah, so today, before I show you the Friday freebie, I just want to show you, this is one of my favorite projects I've done in the last few months, I must admit. On Wednesday, we made this concertina little storage album foil, whatever you want to say. It's more like a concertina gift box, to be fair, because it closes. There is a magnet, so it closes shut like that. It's a 3x3. And then on Monday, I have shown you my 4 Halloween mini kits that you could buy them as a bundle. Guys, the feedback on this one has been amazing. I know I love bubbles, but a lot of you have bought this kit, so thank you. Your support, guys, means the word. So today, the freebie is this one here. This is part, well, it's not part, but I use the Tags and Dogs digital papers. Is a mini, so it's a page of 4, and each page has got 3 tags, so it's 12 dogs in total. And this is a variation. I picked 3 of the dogs, put it together, and you've got 3 huge tags. They measure 6 by 3, kind of like 3 1/4. Love it. I hope you guys like it too. It's one of my popular, it's not a bestseller, but it's one of my popular kits, because I know a lot of you guys like pets, like dogs. So yeah, so that's the freebie to go with that kit. If you wish to check it out, the kit, I will put the link down below, as well as the 2 videos that I have just showed you. Super quick, guys, I'm going to go because I'm hungry, I must admit. Been to the gym this morning. I had a cup of tea when I got home, and now it's lunchtime. So today I'm going to shout out a lovely comment from Anna CVdo. I hope I pronounce her surname right, and I put Anna's comment on the screen. Anna said that she loves the Friday newsletter email because, as usual, guys, the freebie gets emailed to my newsletter email every Friday at 9 p.m. You get this email. So there is some crafting news, and I will put it here on the screen so you can see what it looks like. You've got some my recap all the videos. Sometimes there is an offer. You see some of the papers. There is always a freebie attached. I don't have time to spam anybody, so I'm always send 1 email a week at 9 p.m. every Friday. Also, if you want this kit, because this page here is basically goes sent by the time you guys watch the video, so 9 p.m. So if you click on my Facebook group, and I'll show you in just a minute how and where, you see all the freebies that I have designed in the last 2.5 years, so you can download them all on a PDF. But again, I'll just show you in just a second how. Okay guys, so this is the homepage of my Facebook group. So it's not a page, it's the group. So feel free to follow the link. So once you are in the group, you need to, of course, on here you see all the chats and conversations and what myself and all the members have shared. On here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies that I have shared for a very long time. So please go and help yourself. So if you click on the 3 dots and you click on download, and you will automatically download the freebies. Okay guys, so as you know, I bought this book, 360 Days of Calm. It's a book of quotes, affirmations and activities to bring calmness every single day. I thought we're going to end a video, each of my video, with one of these quotes. So today it's number 3, which says, I am looking forward to a peaceful year. Yes, absolutely. I hope 2024 will be a more settled year full of peace. Okay, for everybody. Okay guys, I hope you liked this Friday freebie. If you did, don't forget to give me a really big, huge thumbs up. It really helps with my journey here on YouTube. Guys, we used this kit when we made the tags and dogs pouch tags holder, and I will put the video here on the screen. So if you guys want to more some idea and inspiration, please feel free to check it out. Thank you so much for watching once again. Have a wonderful weekend, and until Monday, stay safe and well. Bye.